Hi everyone, welcome back to Best Laid Plans. And I have an unboxing this week. I know that some of you may be waiting for that how to plan that's going to be a spring cleaning. I've kind of postponed that for a little bit because I may need to do something totally different for it, but it is coming up. It will probably be more likely in April. So it'll be like my birthday spring cleaning. But that will be coming up soon, and I'm also going to have my spring happy planner haul, which is just a couple things. So that's coming up. But I did get my Forage Box for March, and it is a bee theme. I wanted to show you her illustration. She always customizes that. And just open this with you. It's a little bit different than her usual boxes, although they're all kind of unique, which I appreciate. It looks like we have some organic honey sticks, and she included some herbal tea, and it is soy free. Thank you. So I can actually enjoy this. And then we have some beautiful honeycomb shape and sealed with a wax seal, which I love. I don't want to tear the envelope. 1 second. I have cats and dogs running around. It's been kind of a crazy day. I just got a hot water heater installed today, so while I'm filming this. So it's been a little hectic. So we have a bunch of these beautiful frames. These are all neutral black and white. And would be just perfect for like memory keeping, even like with scrapbooking. You definitely could use this with planning or junk journaling. So lots of different uses for these. So that is what came in this little envelope. Bless you, Figaro. I had a little sneezy cat. We have this gorgeous vinyl die cut that has our bee, and I love this illustration style. It's giving me like Bridgerton vibes, maybe, and a little bit William Morris. So I like this. I like the vibe. And ooh, I think we have a pencil case. I'm gonna put that aside. And we have a charm, and it is a bee and a little flower, and it's bronze colored. Oh my gosh, she taped that good. That took me a while. I had to pause the camera. But now that I have it undone, you can actually see that it's like a dangle charm. This is absolutely gorgeous. I love the vintage bronze. I love the bee looking like realistic but also cute at the same time. It's adorable. So that is the bee journal charm. Oh, I know what I'm going to put this on. You guys don't know about this yet because it's going to be for next year, but it'll be something connected to my reading journal. So yeah, I like this. And then we have all of our recyclable packaging, and I'm just going to take out the rest of these, make sure I didn't miss anything. Oh, I did. There's a lot of there. She always stuffs these boxes. All right. Yep, so that is everything in the box. So now let's take a look at this decorative paper that was in the bottom. And she usually includes a few sheets of like either journal cards or specialty paper or vellums. This looks like some specialty paper. And we have this lovely like old-fashioned script with her wildflowers. We have this like Gothic manuscript script with the bees overlaid and some country gingham. So those are our 3 specialty paper pages. And then we have a little notepad that says busy as a bee, and she really chonked this notebook full. This is really nice, and it matches my kitchen, which is great. So I'm probably going to use it to write down like grocery list or other things. Very, very useful. And then I've got the, I swear to, I feed you guys like sugar late at night because you're going crazy. You're being really cute though. They're playing. My puppies are playing. We have some washi style stickers. In this one, we have the dripping honey, of course. And then we have some photo collage stickers, and it is very cottagecore vibes. We have our honeybees. Love it. And we have some honeycomb. You could probably use these as trackers or just deco. So we have those. Okay, so my dogs have decided that it is playtime despite the fact it is super late at night when I'm filming this. So I'm gonna go through these deco sheets one by one and just play music so you guys don't have to deal with the dog sounds. So here we go. And then lastly, for the stickers, we have some washi strips that have this lovely illustration. So we didn't get washi tape this time, but we did get some more, like a significant amount more sticker sheets. And then she always includes her alphabet and number sheet with each one, again, for the month. So that was all of the stickers. That was a lot of stickers. I really like those. I think her illustration style is amazing. I love the way that she draws figures. One thing that I would love to see in a future Forage Box that may encourage me to purchase more would be if I could have some guys, just like fantasy guys, or just like the male figure. I feel like I get like fashion dolls of like female figures all the time with stickers, but it's like nearly impossible to have men represented in sticker form. And I just think it would be nice. So I'm just putting that out there. She did do like a male fairy one time, but it was like from the back. So I don't know if it's a thing that she might do, but that'd be really cool because I like her art style. So I'm just putting that out there if you're a artist making planner stickers. So that was all of the sticker sheets. Again, that's a pretty huge amount of sticker sheets in this one. I'm very surprised and happy about that. Now let's look at this pencil case. That was the big accessory this time. And here it is. It is this beautiful, like, bee kind of ornate floral print, and it's white on black, and it's just a zip pouch. And it looks like, I think you actually could fit all of the stickers in this. I was a little bit unsure at first, but it looks like it's exactly the size of the stickers. So that's pretty cool. So if you wanted to like keep this collection together while you're using it, or obviously you can use this for pens or really anything you want. So that is the March 2024 Forage Box. I really enjoyed this month's box. I almost didn't get it, and then I saw a preview that had the sticker sheet, and I was like, oh, sign me up. And I'm glad I did because these are all really useful cottagecore style stickers, and if you know me, I'm cottage to the core. So let's put that there, and just kind of arranging everything so I can take photos and stuff. But I feel like that was a pretty decent box. Also, I got tea, and I've had the worst time with sinuses and allergies. You have no idea. So I will enjoy this tea and this honey very, very much. So thank you all for joining me. I will again be doing probably a spring happy planner haul and review next, and then I'm working on that spring cleaning how-to. I again completely have to change what I'm doing, but I'm really excited about it. So I will kind of fill you in then, but that is all coming up March and April. So thank you again for tuning in today. Like, subscribe. I post videos every Wednesday, and you can also catch more content on my Instagram, Valkyrie Plans. Hit the notification bell so you don't miss out, and I will catch you all next week. Bye!